A friend of mine came here actually, my best friend's wife, and she recommended it to me, and so far it was beautiful. Like the transportation, you guys had it at the airport waiting on me. Made me feel special. He had a sign with my name on it, and it's been no problem from the time I got there to now. Excellent job. Honestly, I give it an A+, plus. They found problems I didn't know I had, which is a good thing. No upsell, but they really found these problems. Very professional. I was somewhat surprised how professional it was. With my experiences in the United States compared to here, they were very nice, man. Very professional, very clean. I love this building here. Oh, big difference. Big difference. I saved about 10 grand. What I got here, I saved about $10,000. You make us feel at home. To my 17.6 million followers, hey man, I truly recommend them. Take that plane trip, man, or take that drive, but make your way to Sani Dental, man. It's real.